Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, from past 2.5 years, I've seen many people making successful career transition in the data analytics industry. Now, whenever I say data analytics industry, they are able to get job roles like data scientists, data engineers, and data analysts. And these are my subscribers and the students of iNeuron, right? And if I probably see from the data, right, the average hike they are able to get are somewhere around 80 to 85%, which is quite amazing. Now, guys, I started my IT jobs, right, in 2011 as a software engineer. And I joined HCL. I had come from a third tier college. And the average package at that point of time was somewhere around 3.25 to 3.5. And right now, also in 2022, if you are probably coming from a third tier college, the average package is almost that much. But data science, data analyst, big data engineer, this skill sets right now, which is very much popular, and companies obviously require them because they have huge amount of data and they really want to use this data to create a better product. And as a fresher, you are at least able to get an average package of 5 to 7 lakhs. And this is from all the data that we have from the past 2.5 years, guys. I've seen many people making successful career transition as a fresher also. So as a fresher, you are able to get 5 to 7 lakhs. As a experienced person, you are able to get at least 70 to 80 to 80 to 80, 90% hike. I've seen some people also getting 200% hike, right? When I was in one of the company called as ENY, and then I moved to Panasonic, and it was just within 3 months. The reason I was moving to Panasonic because they gave me a 150% hike, right? So data science as a skill set is quite amazing. The salaries are booming, the jobs in data science are booming. And if you don't believe me, just go and check my LinkedIn, guys. How many people are tagging me? How many people are tagging iNeuron? Because they are able to get some amazing jobs. When I started my software engineering, I was trained in .NET technology. And at that point of time, .NET was like, it was like many people knew about it, right? And that technology, like if I was actually working on something, like there were so many experts around me. At that point of time, I always used to think I should also get a chance to learn a technology from something from new itself, right? At the same point. And that is that is the point. I don't know whether God heard me or not. In 2014, right, I started learning about data science. I just made my transition within 2 months, which was quite amazing, right? Now let me tell you why data science is booming with respect to jobs and salaries. Before, companies were trying to solve problem of storing the data efficiently, right? Many companies, they had their own IoT products, like let's say AC, washing machine, right? All these are like kind of IoT products. They also create data. They also produce enormous amount of data. Your mobile phones, your social media platforms, YouTube, right? The ad delivery system. You can see that 60 to 70% of the time, YouTube is quite accurate of delivering the ad correctly to the person who are actually interested in that kind of content. And how this will basically be possible, because understand, before YouTube was just a platform wherein you will be able to just see videos, but now it is being able to make so many unicorn companies, right? One example is PhysicsWallah, right? This is quite amazing. And again, the recommendation system is a kind of AI module that is possible because of machine learning or deep learning techniques, which is again falling in the category of data science, right? So nowadays companies are thinking that how they can integrate this AI in their AI module, in their software product, or in the product that they have already created, and how they can actually bring up a seamless experience in front of the user, so that the user can additionally pay some for some of the services and can use that specific product itself. So this, in short, also increases the revenue of the company, right? Like there are many people, who will still be saying that, okay, data science, it is going to be stagnant, it is going to be automated. No, trust me, guys. From the past 1.5 year, 2 years, I've seen an enormous growth with respect to other people who have made a transition. And this is irrespective to the background or domain that you're coming from. So this is super important that you start understanding the importance of data science. Last year, only 5% of the companies who were using data science in their specific products. Now in this year, it has been increased to 10 to 12%, right? You can definitely check out the Gartner survey, there you'll be able to see that which all technologies are booming and which are going to boom in the upcoming years, right? So this is super important to understand. And probably it is also mentioned that in the upcoming 5 years, more than 25 to 26% of the companies and working in various domains are going to use AI seamlessly in their products. And you also need to really understand whatever technology you are learning. Try to make sure that you also understand what exactly AI is and start learning it, guys. Your salary is going to just boom up. I'm telling you, if you have this specific skill set. I started from one figure. Now, probably before joining iNeuron, I reached to some figure, like it was like 10x to 20x growth. And you can also find that specific growth very quickly. So yes, this was it from my side. Start taking it seriously, start seeing the surveys, start seeing that what all AI can actually do. Yes. So this was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Bye-bye.